So it's been a while since I've last reported, but the gutting process is going really well. We're still removing drywall and insulation and whatnot, but you can see this has become much more open. Almost everything is back down to stud, and most of the bathroom's been removed. The tub is actually uninstalled. It's just beyond my ability to move it by myself. It's some sort of, I think it's cast iron. I don't know if it's a steel tub, but it's heavy. I need a buddy to help me lift it. Toilet and sink, whatnot, all uninstalled. Those will probably go in the dump. I don't know. I'll have someone look them over and see if they're good enough for Salvation Army or something. But this is going really good. Mostly everything's out. And I kind of did some exploration here, opening up the ceiling. And looks like I just gotta take my time and remove all of it. So I think all the ceilings will end up coming out, especially based on how the open roof looks here in the kitchen, which is awful to say the least, and just was done haphazardly. This whole roof and back wall will probably come on down and get rebuilt when it gets a little bit warmer. You can see we still have a fair bit of snow, but it's supposed to warm up the next couple of days. Hopefully it'll mostly disappear. And the ever-growing pile of timbers. And yeah, it just looks a whole lot different. It's nice now that it's been cleaned out and mostly gutted. But there's still a lot of work to do. Let's see here. Backyard is starting to get cleared. You can see there, we had a warm weekend 2 weeks ago. I managed to take out some of those little trees, and the deck. The garage is finished. Sprinter I recently bought is nicely parked. We'll be working on the transmission for that soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I gotta pull the ceilings out. Once I do that, I'll probably make another update. And if I can find an electrician and a plumber who are willing to even quote this, we'll get an update once we've had electrical and plumbing taken a look at. It needs new gas lines as well as incoming line for water, the outgoing lines for water, and yeah, we'll see. Still got to get to the attics. There's two separate spaces in this house for attic space. There's the space above me now, and the space over there above the addition. So once I take the ceilings out, I think I'm just gonna drop everything on through, and we'll see what we find. That's pretty much it for now. Take it easy.